I always say the question should be, how did Warren Wilson College find me? I come from a low-income background, and studying in the United States was something that I never thought would ever be possible. I was actually planning on going to another university back at home in Zimbabwe, but the sense of purpose, the community, the work program drew me to this college. So with a leap of faith, I just applied. Arriving in the United States was kind of overwhelming, but thanks to the Inclusive Excellence Dom and the International Student Support Team, I got to have pre-orientation before that. That gave me a chance to have a community before stepping into the bigger college community, and they've been my family ever since. Here at Warren Wilson College, I have 2 jobs. I work at Kalpai, which is like our vegan cafeteria, and I also work on the IT department. I've always been curious about how things work and why things work in a certain way, and especially technology, like it's so fascinating to me and all that. So I'm majoring in data science. It really helps me a lot because what I'm learning in class is what I basically do at work. The work program is not just about work, it's actually preparation to life. I get a chance to gain confidence in my skills and clarity in my passion. I get to turn raw numbers into reward solutions and strategies. That's powerful to me. I love how here you can be yourself. You don't need to pretend to be someone you're not. You are welcomed with open arms, and they embrace your background and culture. Music is a really important part of my life, is part of my identity. Whenever I play the Nhira, I feel connected to home. It's like a reminder of where I'm coming from and like a compass for where I'm going. The fact that the people believed in me, the people saw something in me even before I saw it in myself, changed me. Warren Wilson is not just about academics, it's the community that feels more like a family. It's a place where you be accepted as who you are, you be welcomed with open arms.